Hello everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Time Cycles. Today is February 20th, 2026. Bitcoin is trading around 67,375. But today's update is not about price, it's about time. Because in cycle analysis, price can be manipulated, time cannot. And right now, Bitcoin has entered one of the most important time zones of this entire structure. 1. 80-day cycle status. The current 80-day cycle started on November 21st, 2025. Today is day 92. Historically, Bitcoin's 80-day cycles close between 85 and 96 days. That means we are now inside the core closure window. From a time perspective, the downside time risk is rapidly decreasing. This doesn't mean price can't drop. It means the time for a major low is now active. 2. Time cluster position. Original observation window, January 26th to February 9th. Extended window, February 10th to February 20th. Extreme window, February 21st to February 26th. Today, we are entering the extreme right side zone. This is typical for bear market right translated bottoms. Weak cycles don't bottom early, they bottom late, and that is exactly what the time structure is showing. 3. Price behavior versus time. Recent structure. Bounce from 60,000 to 70,000. Pull back to 67,000. No new low. Volatility compression. This is important because time-based bottoms usually look like greater than, bounce to pullback to sideways compression, not a V-shaped reversal. Real cycle lows, consume time, not panic. 4. Multi-cycle alignment. Current structure. 80-day cycle, day 92, closure zone. 40-week cycle, final subcycle. 18-month cycle, late stage phase. Environment, weak cycle, right translated. Conclusion, a multi-cycle bottom cluster is forming. This is a time event, not a price signal. 5. Countdown to closure. Key dates. February 20th, day 92, strong closure zone. February 22nd, day 94, high probability closure. February 24th to 26th, day 96, theoretical maximum. If the cycle extends beyond day 96, that would be abnormal and low probability. 6. Structure completion level conditions. Above 85 days, above 90 days, near 96-day limit, right translated behavior, multi-cycle late phase. Overall completion, about 85% complete. The structure is nearing time exhaustion. 7. Execution status, most important. According to time-based rules, below 85 days, observe. 85 to 90 days, probe. 90 to 96 days, primary position window. Today, day 92, the main time window is open. Important, this is time permission, not a price signal. Final conclusion. Current market condition. Time is largely completed. The bottom is forming, not waiting for a crash. 3 key factors. Time, inside the closure band. Price, holding above 60,000. Structure, compression, not expansion. Together, this suggests the probability of a major new low is decreasing rapidly. Discipline reminder, no time cluster, no trade. Price can be manipulated, time cannot. A cycle is a band, not a point. Patience, risk control, stay quiet, preserve energy, keep the rhythm. Tomorrow we continue tracking the closure, because in cycle trading, the edge doesn't come from prediction. It comes from waiting for time to finish.